Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get more fresh sprout fast in Heartopia beyond quests. So right now, Heartopia we have the River Cup build challenge where you can team up with your friends to build amazing structure. And now we're already in the building phase like this. And at this stage, you will need a lot of fresh sprout. It works like a build token, and the more you have, the more build load your team can use. And it also helps your team reach a requirement to join the exhibitions like this. It's team currency or fresh sprout. And most players only rely on quest rewards, but that's actually not enough if you want to progress faster. So here's how to get more fresh sprout quickly. First, of course, do your daily quest over here. Its quest, this one, its quest will give you around 100 fresh sprout, so don't skip them. And second, complete your weekly request. It will give you up to 500 fresh sprout, which is a big boost. And now the most important method, just sell item at the limited terminal in front of your home like this, and then just click on this icon, the selling icon like this, and in here you can sell recommended items for double price, which means more fresh sprout instantly. And in here you can also sell other items, and each item will give different amounts of fresh sprout. For example, in here I want to sell the silver jewel scarab like this, and then info card like this. So just sell anything that you want, the items that you don't need. After that, just tap on sell, and then just tap on sell like this, and you will get the more fresh sprout automatically beyond the quest. So if you want to farm faster, don't just rely on quests, just start selling items strategically. And okay, that's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!